In this video, we will try HostBet website builder. This website builder provides more than 800 ready-made static website templates for different purpose and allows you to create any type of website within a few clicks. And for creating a website, you must have a hosting and a domain name. A domain name is the name of your website, like example.com or yourname.com. And a web hosting is a digital storage where your website's files will be stored. You must have both hosting and a domain name. If you don't have hosting and domain, then you can purchase from our website, and I will mention the link of our website in the description. Before proceeding, let me introduce you with our hosting. Our web hosting services starts from 60 rupees per month or $2 per month. If you haven't purchased web hosting, then you can purchase from our website. If you don't know how to order web hosting and domain, then let me show you. First, you have to select a plan which you want to purchase. Like if you want to create only one website, then you can select this starter plan. If you want to create 3 websites, then you can select this innovator plan. If you want to create 5 websites, then you can select professional plan, and you can select business plan and business ultimate plan. Of course, you need to purchase the domain name as well. Like if you want to create 3 websites, then you have to purchase 3 domain as well. You don't have to purchase those domain right now. You can purchase them when you want to create website. Like if you order this innovator plan, then you have to purchase at least 1 domain right now, and then if you want to create another website, then you have to purchase another domain. So let's say I want to create only one website, then I will order this starter plan. To order, you can click on this order plan button, and then here it asks for a option. It has 3 options: register a new domain, transfer your domain, and use your existing domain. So the first option is for those who do not have an active domain right now, and the second option is for those who have purchased domain from any other company and they want to transfer their domain name to us. This transfer will incur an additional fee. And the third option, like you have an existing domain from anywhere else or from us, and you want to connect that domain name to this hosting which you are ordering. In the third option, you have to set our name servers in your domain name. So I assume that you don't have an active domain name right now and you want to purchase a new domain. So in this search domain option, you have to enter the name of your domain. Like for example, I want to create a website for a digital SEO agency. So I will write a unique name like my digital SEO agency, and in this box you can select the domain extension like .in, .co, .in, .info, .xyz, .com, and all these. For example, I want to purchase .com, so I will select .com and then click on check. Now here you can see that the my digital SEO agency.com is available, and if you enter a very common name, then there are high chances that that domain might have purchased from someone else, or someone else have purchased that domain name, so it will show unavailable. But this name is very unique, so it is available for purchase. So I will add to cart and then click on continue. And here you can select the billing cycle of your hosting account. Like if you want to pay for hosting monthly, means every month, then you can select this monthly. If you want to pay for every year, then you can select this annually. If you want to pay for 3 years, then you can select this. So I will go with annually and then click on continue. And here you have to select this DNS management option and then click on continue. And here it will ask you to enter your details. Like if you do not have if you haven't registered on hostbet.in, then it will ask you to enter your name and other details. You have to enter those details, then verify this, and then select and then check this term and service box, and then click on checkout. After clicking on checkout, you will have another button of pay now. You have to click on that button, and then it will prompt you for payment. After payment, your hosting and domain will be activated, and after activating hosting and domain, it will take a few hours for your domain to be recognized by all internet service providers. So if you are unable to open your website after the domain and hosting has been activated, then you might need to wait for a few hours so that your domain can be recognized by all internet service providers. And if your domain is showing this type of page, this is a sample or default page of your website. It means that your domain and hosting has been connected and you are ready to build your website. So this is our test website, and we will build our website from HostBet website builder on this website. To create a website with our website builder, you have to log in to your direct admin first. So go to your client area and then go to your product or service, and then here you will get an option to log in to direct admin. Click on this option, and our first task is to delete this example or sample page. So to delete this sample page, you have to go to direct admin and then go to file manager option, and then in the file manager you can see a public HTML folder. Double click on this folder, and here you can see an index.html file. Right click on that file and then click on remove, and then click here and then click on remove. The sample page has been removed, and if I refresh this, we can see a 403 error, which means that there's no sample page. Now we are ready to build our website from HostBet website builder. So now we have to build our website. So first go to direct admin control panel, and then in the search box search for HostBet website builder and click on this option. And to create a new website, click on this create a new site button, and then click on get started. And here you can select themes. You can see that there are 853 total ready-made themes, and you can select from those. So I will show you how you can check all those themes. There's a website called sitepad. They provides these themes, and you can view the demo of these themes on their website. I will mention the link of their website in the description. So go to sitepad and then go to themes. Here you can see all the themes and click on demo of themes. You have various categories here. You can select any category and you can choose any theme. For example, we want to build a digital agency website, so I will check in business, and for example I like this theme, so I will click here, and I will copy the name of this theme, and I will search this name here, and you can see that it is showing this theme. So click here and select the theme, and here you have to enter all the details. Like in the directory, you have to enter the directory where you want to install this theme. So if you want to install it on your main website, then leave this empty. In the admin email, you have to enter the email address of your website. Like you have to enter your email address here. In the site title, you can enter title like we have this test website my delta test.xyz, and so I can write my delta test, and in the description I can write my digital SEO agency. You can enter any description as per your requirement, and in the email address you can enter the email which you want to show on contact us page, and you can enter your phone number, address, Facebook and Twitter handle. And after entering all the details, click on proceed with install, and then click on yes. It will take a few seconds to install that theme on our website, and you can see that the theme has been installed. And if we refresh our website now, we can see that the theme has been installed and our website is good looking. Now the next step is to customize this website. This part will be a bit complex and will involve a few steps. Editing and customizing these type of website involve a few things. Basically, this drag and drop builder is based on page layer. Page layer is a drag and drop website builder. It has various widgets and elements which can be used to build website. Let's say I want to edit this business consulting agency text and want to set it as market consulting agency. So this part is usually called as home header or header home. And to edit this home header section, you have to click on return to sites option, and in the sites you will have to click on this dashboard option, And here is the dashboard of your website. You can perform various operations here. We can edit pages, we can edit templates, and we can integrate many things. And now here click on this templates option, and here you will see all the templates of your website. And to edit that part you have to edit this home header template. So in this home header, click on this edit button, and then click on edit using page layer. And here our drag and drop website builder has been loaded. To edit something or some text, simply hover over that text. So for example, I want to edit this business consulting agency text. So I will move my cursor to this text, and I can simply edit this text. I can write marketing consulting agency, and once I write the text, I can click on this update button to update the changes in my website. So I will click here, and you can see that the changes has been updated. So I will refresh my website, and you can see that the changes has been updated. Now I want to customize this heading text. Take your business to whole new level and even further. I want to set something like skyrocket your business to new heights and reach the sky. So I will go to this home header theme, and I will click on this, and then in the title style I have to go to this title style, and then I can, for example, I want to set like skyrocket your business to new heights and reach the sky. So in this take your business to, I will write skyrocket your business to, and in this whole new level, and in this rotate text I will write like new heights, skyrocket your business to new heights and reach the sky. And you can see this, the text has been edited. And now if I click on update, you can see that this has been updated, and if I refresh my website, you can see that the changes has been updated. Now if we scroll our website, and we can see that there are many sections here. Let's say if we want to customize this text, take solutions for your business. So first log into the dashboard of your website, and that section did not include in header or something, that is a home page. To edit a page, click on pages and then go to all pages, and then to edit home page, you can see this home page, click on this edit button, and scroll this. Here you can set these text. So I will write marketing solutions for your business, and I can also customize these items, like in the place of online security I can like SEO management. In the business consultation I can write marketing consultancy, and like that. And after making these changes I can click on update, and if I refresh my website, then I can see these changes are updated. And let's say we want to customize this about us page. I want to edit this 15 plus years of experience and want to set 5 years. So I will in this page edit, in the pages I will select about us, and here I can simply click on this 15 plus, and you can see that a counter widget starts counting from a starting number and ends on an ending number. So I will write 5 in the ending number, and I can see that it counts from 1 to 5, and then I will click on update changes, and I will refresh it. I can see that it has been updated. Now let's consider a case. You have installed the theme and customized it. Then you found that the theme is not good and you didn't like it. So how will you change this theme? To do this properly, we need to first delete our existing theme. So go to HostBet website builder, and in the all sites you have an option to delete the site. You can simply click on this delete option and then click on remove site, and you can see that the site has been deleted. So now go to add new site, and then click on get started, and then select a theme which you want to install. Like let's say I want to install this strides theme, so I will select this theme and then proceed with install. And we can see that the setup has been completed. Now if I refresh my website, I can see that the strides theme has been installed. So you can edit this theme just like we edited that business theme. So this is how you can create website from HostBet website builder. If you have any questions, then you can comment in this video, and thank you for watching this video.